That's all about it. I was going through all the points, you know, when I was coming towards my mind.
ये अकेले के लिए
अरे
25 रुपया
पीछे बैठने के लिए नहीं, ये अकेले चलाने के लिए काफी अच्छा था। तूने जबरदस्ती का ऑफ रोडिंग करा दिया।
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking.
So guys, it's day 2 in Mahabaleshwar and it's almost 10 o'clock in the morning and it's about to rain. I can feel the raindrops right now. So yeah, we were planning to cover sunrise, but however we got late, so we are going towards some points. So let's see if we can be able to cover those points. See, look at the weather, it's all cloudy out here. As you can see, all the points are over here. It's right over here. So we are going towards Skates Point first. किधर है ऊपर? किधर ऊपर? किधर? अबे ज़्यादा ऑफ रोडिंग नहीं है। What an experience. Though I don't like off-roading, but still it's not a very bad patch. I mean, you know, the initial patch was bad, but again, if you see, this is like a okay off-roading kind of thing. So this we can do. This Duke 390 can easily handle. I don't need an adventure for that. ठीक है ना यार, इतना ही थोड़ा सा पैच गंदा था, बाकी ठीक है।
कार आती है रे पूरा।
मैं वही बोला, तू बोल रहा है कार आती तो ठीक है ना यार।
तो ऐसा लग रहा है हम लोग तो और आ गए।
हाँ बे,
अंदर नहीं जाते।
ऐसा मारेंगे ना सब तेरे को।
अरे है तो यही रोड पे।
आजा पूछते हैं ना किसी को। ये कितना आपको एवरेज देता है?
ये 70
एवरेज दे देता
80 देता है।
तो ऐसे रोड पे भी चल जाता है ना। अभी क्या बोले, चल जाता है अभी 20-25।
अरे वो इसको बेबी देखना पड़ेगा ना, मगर बेबी चाहिए पीछे बैठने के लिए तो फायदा है, नहीं तो क्या ये अकेले के लिए 25 रुपया।
पीछे बैठने के लिए नहीं, ये अकेले चलाने के लिए।
अकेले के वो बाबा, वही बात कर रहा हूँ मैं। अब बेबी रहेगा तो 25 क्या 10 का एवरेज देगा तो भी चलेगा। वही है ना, सेम है ना। डिग्गी बहुत अच्छी है, डिग्गी बहुत अच्छी है। देखिए जब उनका अच्छा है, डबल सीट है।
चलो मैं थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।
ऐसा ऐसा चलो, मगर जरा रोड खराब है।
नहीं खड़ी है अबे।
हाँ बस खड़ी है।
अबे फराज ये रोड ही नहीं है। सो वी आर एक्चुअली ऑन अ रॉन्ग रूट। फालतू का ऑफ रोडिंग हो गई मजाक मस्ती में, बट वी मेट दिस लोकल, बहुत फनी थे लोग, तो मजाक मस्ती करके अब हम निकल रहे। So this is Skates Point, guys. Finally we are here after too much of off-roading, going on a wrong route and taking the right route. Right route was actually good. It's not a kind of off-roading we did. So ये route काफी अच्छा था। तूने जबरदस्ती का ऑफ-रोडिंग करा दिया। सुबह ऑफ-रोडिंग करा दिया यार।
ऑफ-रोडिंग इम्पोर्टेंट है।
क्या ऑफ-रोडिंग इम्पोर्टेंट है?
हाथ ठंडे हो गए।
So our Duke 250 rider did a good off-roading today. आज ऑफ-रोडिंग चेक, आज ऑफ-रोडिंग चेक हो गया इसका। कैसा लगा आपको?
It was good.
It was good?
Yeah, it was good.
So guys, welcome back. So we are here at Echo Points. So not only Echo Points, we are quite surrounded by other points as well. There is Echo Points, there is Skates Points, there is Elphiston Points. So this point is all about the view, the tabletop. If you go over there, you get the complete view of the dam, the Waigao, which is there on the lower surface. So it's all about view, peace, and also, you know, it's almost 11 o'clock in the morning, and you know, the climate is so amazing out here. It's so cool. We are really enjoying it. The bikes are parked over here, as you can see. So yes, let's go inside and explore those points. पसंद so हमारे रियाज भाई is enjoying with monkeys over here.
वो भी जम रहा भाई.
I can't take that chance. क्योंकि पता है 10 साल पहले मेरा चिप्स ले लिया था इसने.
चिप्स ने चश्मा.
तो I will not take this chance, right? अमय, what do you think?
कितने बंदे रहे?
Also 5 years back he took my coconut.
ओ भाई, मारो भाई मारो. अमय कोकोनट.
ब्रो को तेरी बगल की वीडियो अच्छी लगी.
Please just have a look at the view. I am not sure if the GoPro is able to capture everything, but we'll give you a rough idea what exactly this point is all about.
अरे मोबाइल लेके चले जाएगा वो.
जो भी है, you know, view है, सुकून है, और क्या चाहिए यार लाइफ में.
अबे चल यार.
Right अमय?
Yes, right.
What else do you want in your life? Peace.
Nothing, peace and satisfied.
ले चल भाई. आरसी के पीछे की सीट पे बिठा देना. आरसी के पीछे की सीट देख के उतर जाएगा वो. Please, you know, we all used to play PUBG a lot, and you know we are waiting for this PUBG Indian version since very long. We all know that the Indian version is coming very soon, but I would like to reveal one thing for sure. You know, the PUBG India is here. I would like to show you the PUBG India. The first official release in India I would like to show you right now. India launch event is right over here in front of me. Just wait for it, guys. This is the moment of truth. So guys, this is PUBG, as you can see. So the PUBG is right over here in front of you. So that's the camel version. You don't have to deal with Indian or Korean version, but you can play with the camel version right now. That's all about it. I was going through all the points, you know. When I was coming towards my mat, I met some of my random subscribers. You know, these are my subscribers right over here.
सर आप घूमने आए क्या इधर? अभी क्या कर रहे हो?
अभी बस ऐसे ही घूम रहे थे.
अकेले आए हो?
अकेले आए हो, आपके पार्टनर है?
आपका हमारे साथ ही आया क्या? गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ में नहीं है आप?
अब गर्लफ्रेंड है ही नहीं तो क्या आएगी सर, अभी बताओ.
गर्लफ्रेंड मेट माय गर्लफ्रेंड.
आप करंटली आपके क्या राइड कौन सी कर रहे हो भाई? वो तो
तो
बताओ.
ऐसा हमें ये लोग पुणे में भी मिल गए, महाबलेश्वर में भी आ गए, रैंडम
बिल्डिंग में भी मिल गए.
बिल्डिंग में भी.
आप लाल बंदर देखने वाला. ये आपके बड़े फैन हैं.
10 किलोमीटर से फॉलो करते हुए
Tell me your name, please.
Yeah, my name is Amay Mane.
Amay Mane. Have you watched all my videos?
Yes,
Yeah.
almost.
So Amay Mane is
You are
with 2
selected.
subscribers. You know, he heads off. Shoot out
Even
to
I
Amay.
was awaiting for this Aura video, which is still pending, and even the Goa video, which you are not.
All will be coming out. सबको चांस मिलेगा, सबको मौका मिलेगा. So basically this is a 5 Series BMW with a M3 badging, and half of the car is wrapped. Clean, very neat. So guys, this will be the last day in Mahabaleshwar. So we'll be having a quick dinner, which will be the last dinner in Mahabaleshwar, and accordingly we'll be planning to leave tomorrow. We'll be planning all the timings and everything, and accordingly, because one of the guy wants to leave early because he has some work in his office and everything. So let's see if we can cover the distance, and we'll fix a timing. Done with our dinner, and we are heading towards
The last dinner.
Not the last dinner, for a dessert. And for dessert we have what?
Chocolate and cream.
Chocolate with cream and strawberry with cream. And he will pay the bill. So this will be the last dessert in Mahabaleshwar, and after that we'll be going to sleep. Guys, it's getting cold over here, and we'll be having the chocolate with cream right now. फट के हाथ में, लेकिन हम आइसक्रीम फिर भी खा के रह गए. तो अभी यहाँ पे रिसेंटली बारिश हुई है, लगी थी हमें वहाँ पे वो साइड पे बारिश नहीं मिली. So much guys for watching this video. Hope you liked and enjoyed this video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. That's all about it guys. See you. Take care and be safe.